Welcome to our 2026 review of Apollo.io. We'll explore if this all-in-one sales intelligence platform is a worthwhile investment for your outbound team. Here on David's channel, we share with you all the best performing software that you can use in your business to better improve your productivity, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel for more insights into other updates that could benefit you and your business. So what exactly is Apollo.io? As someone who runs a business, this is one of the software you should be familiar with. Apollo.io is known as the unified go-to-market platform, designed to streamline your sales efforts. In other words, it's a software that is built to help you make more sales. Apollo's functionality is built around three pillars: lead gen, which provides a massive database of B2B contacts; enrichment, which automatically updates CRM data; and engagement, which runs automated multi-channel sequences. The platform boasts an impressive data pool with over 275 million B2B contacts and coverage of 60 million companies worldwide, offering unmatched data depth. Apollo offers advanced search and filtering, with over 65 filters to laser focus your prospecting. Key features include buyer intent signals, job change alerts, technographic data, and funding and revenue filters. The sales engagement features include automated outreach for complex, multi-touch workflows, and A/B testing and insights to optimize messaging and track performance data like open and click rates. Apollo provides seamless ecosystem integrations with major platforms. This includes Salesforce for bidirectional sync, HubSpot for lead push and data enrichment, and Gmail/Outlook for sending and tracking emails directly from your inbox. Here's a quick look at the annual pricing structure. Plans range from a free tier with basic filters and 10,000 email credits, up to the organization plan with advanced features like security and call transcripts. On the positive side, Apollo consolidates your sales stack, is highly affordable per lead, and has best-in-class filtering. However, weaknesses include hit-or-miss data accuracy, a frustrating credit system, and slow customer support. Regarding data accuracy, while Apollo claims 91% plus, real-world rates are often 65 to 80%. For high-stakes campaigns, it's recommended to verify data using external tools like NeverBounce or ZeroBounce. So take note. In my opinion, every small and medium business or startups seeking an affordable, all-in-one sales engine, Apollo.io is a must-have, democratizing tools previously costing thousands per year. So if you fall in this category, quickly check the description of this video for the link to Apollo free trial. Check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching my brief review of Apollo AI. If you're ready to explore Apollo, visit the link in the description and also drop your questions in the comments. You can also read the full article review on our blog. Link is also in the description of this video. Like this video, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe right now so you don't miss my future updates. I'll see you in the next video.